Can you leave my jumper alone, please? We're at Alton Towers and we've got the Lakeside Suite for the day. And we're back at Alton Towers, our favourite park. It's the best, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm just watching.
We're just watching these geese here.
He's after me, and I'm not the biggest fan. I'm a little bit scared of him, to be fair.
Someone definitely wants to join in with the video. Yeah. But we're an excited one today, aren't we?
Yes, we do.
So we have got a very special exclusive today, haven't we?
We have. So some of our very special friends have a birthday. So we're joining them at the Lakeside Suite for the day.
So we have got the whole suite for the day. So we're going to show you what's inside, what's on offer, and I think there's some food.
Yes, and a massive thank you for inviting us along.
Right, should we get ourselves in then?
Come on then.
This
looks
crazy.
so good,
Look
doesn't
at this. Oh, wow. Very fancy.
The whole day?
All day just for us. Well, thanks for a birthday anyway.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to get settled down. We're going to see what we've got. It's going to be a fun day, isn't it? We're going to have a quick brew then, shall we?
Yeah, I think we should.
We've got a few refreshments over here. We'll show you in just a moment.
Yeah.
But we're not usually in here unless it's fireworks, are we?
No.
Or Daz Games.
Oh, Daz Games, yeah.
Well, I've got X and Cross.
I've got Smiler and Triangle.
Right, quick, let's go.
Let's go.
Got here now. We've got all nice refreshments.
They've got bourbons as well.
Got any cookies in there? Digestives.
Shortbreads.
Some nice range there.
Custard creams.
Oh, and we've got our coffees and facilities just there.
Yeah, but I'm not bourbons.
I'm going to get a brew. Coffee time!
Cheers!
Well, as we can see behind us there, we've got plenty of stuff coming up, haven't we?
Yes, we do.
Oh, I'm very excited. This is a very exclusive venue.
Yeah, and honestly, thank you so much to Skylar and Leon for inviting us.
All refreshed, aren't we?
We are. We've had our coffee and we're raring to go.
Right, let's get some rides in then.
Yes, let's go.
Back then, haven't we?
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. So we've done a few rides, haven't we?
Yeah.
And I've built up an appetite, have you?
I have, yeah.
I definitely have. So I think we've got some snacks to try. So we're going to have a look what we can find
Have
then.
a nosy at them.
Yeah, they're all over there. Wow, what have we got over here then? Look
Look
at
at that
this.
salad selection. They've got everything. They've even got crispy onions and crispy bacon.
Guacamole, sweet and sour beetroots.
Hummus.
Oh, good snacks for us to try.
Oh, so I know why they've got the cheese and the tuna. Because we've got jacket potatoes.
So we've got a whole jacket potato
Warm
station.
melted cheese.
Chili, potatoes, cheese, tuna,
Nachos.
over there. Oh, there's absolutely loads to go at here, Ev.
And they've also got that. I can't wait.
Oh, some lovely sandwich, and I do appreciate just ham, no mayo.
Simply ham.
Always the best. Right, so we tuck in then.
Yep.
And what we got here?
Cakes.
Cakes they've brought out for us.
There's going to be another one because there's another
Definitely
one
going to be
there.
a few more in there. We'll tuck into them just after, won't we? We're in the queue, Ev.
Let's eat.
Oh, we got some food then, Ev, haven't we?
No, I've got a great selection. Look at that.
I didn't even know what's in there, Ev.
A little bit of everything there enough.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah.
And I've gone for a nice jacket chili tater.
How nice. Oh, look at that.
That looks like a nice loaded nachos, that does have. Let's eat. Oh, we've had our first portion, haven't we, Ev?
Yeah, now it's dessert time.
Dessert time. We definitely need to have a look at these. So as we saw, there were some cakes being brought out.
We had them at the fireworks VIP.
Oh, they are
It was
absolute
the best
lovely.
lemon drizzle cake ever.
It was, wasn't it?
And
Oh,
they've
there's
got
some fresh fruits.
Watermelons.
Watermelons and a bit of pineapple.
Yeah, should we have some of them?
Oh, yeah. Well, I'll have some of these, Ev. You can have some of the healthier options.
I know, I'm having cake too.
Oh, well, we'll have cake and fruit then. Cake time. We ready for it then, Ev?
They look delicious.
A selection of cakes here. So we have tried these before, so I know what I'm going into. But lemon drizzle, one of the best lemon drizzles I've ever had.
Is it just as good as before?
Even better.
Oh.
This is so nice. But this is my kind of cake. It is the Victoria Sponge Classic.
So I said to him, we'll share one.
Yeah, she said we'll share one. And it's like, well, you've got sandwiches there. I want cake. I don't like mayonnaise. I like cream.
Cream.
So I'm gonna eat that.
Oh, that looks banging, that does. Oh.
I can feel it all over my face. You know what? I'm really enjoying it.
Well, we've had a lovely day, haven't we?
We have.
Well, I think there's a very special surprise coming up, isn't there? So.
Very good.
Well, that was a very extra special surprise, wasn't it?
Very extra special.
So we just want to say a massive thank you again to Skylar and Leon for inviting us for this little birthday.
Yeah.
Didn't quite think they were expecting that one,
No,
were they?
I
though?
don't think they were.
But if you want to stay tuned for the next part of this fantastic day, stay subscribed. Wow, what a day it's been in the Lakeside Suite, Ev.
It's been absolutely fantastic.
I still can't believe you can actually hire this thing.
I know, it's so cool, isn't
It is. But as you've seen, guys, we've got a bit of an experience coming up, haven't we? So if you want to stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and you can check that one out. All right, Hev, we got to go.
Come on.